I'm Chelsea from Red Shark, and today I'm going to be showing you two different ways to crop videos in Adobe After Effects. And if you want to download the working file for this, you can go to the description and follow along.
So I'm going to show you two different ways to crop videos in After Effects. So we're just going to drag our video into the composition, and then we're going to size it down. And then with the video selected, the first way we're going to do it is with the region of interest, and that's going to give you a pretty standard crop. So we're going to go down here, region of interest, icons right here, and we're going to draw where we want the crop. And so after you do this, you can adjust the box, all the points on the box, to exactly where you want it, or just drag it around. You can drag the video around, but this will give you a pretty standard crop. So you can click it again and it'll go back to normal. The second way that you can do this in After Effects is have the video selected, then go up here with the pen tool and just draw where you want the crop. So this gives you a more custom shape of the video crop. And then from here you can adjust this too, just by moving the points around. So that's two different ways to crop videos to a composition in After Effects.
If you like this video, subscribe and follow our Instagram for more tips and tricks, and sign up for our newsletter to stay up to date with all things RSD.